Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this gorgeous, easy, simple, beginner friendly one brand makeup tutorial. So yeah, I used everything Fenty in this video, and this is what my skin looks like before the makeup. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I'll be using that to create the highlight. I blend the brown shade on my lids, and I think this is actually one of my signature look, really, because I just love brown on my lids for some reason. But with this look, I actually added a deeper tone from the palette as well, which I am loving as well. As you can tell, the first brown shade was really light and the next one was really dark, just to give the eye look more definitions, if that makes sense. So yeah, that's it for the eye look. Very simple, very straightforward, and beginner friendly. And voila, look at that. I applied my eyelashes off camera, and that was it. Simple, straightforward, and beginner friendly. So yeah, we're gonna move on to the face now. So I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hydra Visor. Yeah, I really love this moisturizer because it has SPF and it's very lightweight on the skin and it smells amazing, guys. Amazing. So I'm gonna go on top of that with the Fenty Beauty Eyes Up foundation primer, which is also amazing. Very, smooth and silky on the skin. As you can tell, it's appeared effortlessly into my skin. It creates that perfect base for my makeup look, which I'm going to be showing you now. So next, I use the Fenty Beauty foundation. This foundation by far is one of my favorite foundation. I don't know how Rihanna did this, but she did this because this foundation is very lightweight, and at the same time it's full coverage, guys. Can you imagine that? I really love it because a little goes a long way. And the fact that the foundation lasts all day, it makes, your makeup will stay all day, no moving, no budging, or no transfer. I really like the foundation. So yeah, after that I went ahead and applied the Fenty Beauty concealer, which is also a pro filter concealer. It's non-creasing and it's very easy to blend into the skin, which I am loving as well. So I used that to highlight my face, and as you can tell, I just use a little bit, which goes a long way, and that was it. I blended it into my skin and I am loving it right now. So this contour sticks, guys, oh god, if you don't have this, you have to run out right now and go get it, guys. Ever since I tried this contour stick, guys, I haven't used anything since then. If you've been watching my makeup tutorial, guys, you would understand what I meant, because I I mean, I don't use anything else. It blends into your makeup and it doesn't give any streaky feel. It blends into the skin really well, and it gives dimension to the skin or to the face, if that makes sense. I really love this, and I am definitely gonna get more of these. I mean, I really can't rave about this contour sticks. You really need to try it so that you can understand what I'm saying. So yeah, and the invisible powder, guys, this powder is just amazing. Actually, if you have oily skin, you would definitely love this because it just takes off the shine like wow pow. No stress, no grease or crease. So you definitely love this setting powder. And yeah, the setting spray also sets in my makeup and locks in everything in place. And yeah, that's the final look, guys. I am done. I love the highlighter as well. It's very nice. I also forgot to mention that I also use the eyeliner as well. It's very nice and very creamy. And yeah, that's the finished look, guys. What do you guys think? And also the lip gloss is so gorgeous. I love the color. It's so creamy and yet non-sticky. I love how amazing lip gloss are. And yeah, I also received the Fenty Beauty perfume or fragrance, and this is what it looks like, guys. Oh my god, this smells like heaven, like heaven. I love it, and I love the fact that it has a long lasting smell. The packaging also have my name engraved on it. Oh my god, how amazing is that? I received all this PR package by Fenty Beauty from a PR company called Community Scene or Scene Group. They have been really, really amazing, sending me loads of Fenty Beauty stuff, which I am loving. So yeah, that's the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. By the way, that's my lazy boy talking. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you, bye.